Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to do a soft cut crease look, and to begin we're going to prime the lids with the Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer, and you're just going to blend that out all over the lids. And now we're going to go in with the Naked Smoky palette by Urban Decay. We're going to take the color 13 and put that all over the lid. And right after that we're going to use the color Combust with a fluffy brush and put it in our crease for a transition shade. After that is done, we're going to use the shade Whiskey, and we're going to put Whiskey a little bit under the transition shade and also in the outer V. We want to smoke this out so whenever we cut our crease, it will look seamless and blended. And now we're going to jump into another palette, the Too Faced I Want Candy, and we're going to use the shade Pastry. And we're going to put that where the transition shade and Whiskey met because we want it to be even more blended. We don't want any harsh lines, so you gotta blend with some windshield wiper motions. Now we're going back into the first palette and we're dipping once into Whiskey. And we're going to put Whiskey where it was where we first put it. And we're going to add this because we want the pigmentation of Whiskey because we blended it out a little too much with Pastry. And now we're going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 20 and the Morphe M421 concealer brush to cut the crease. To cut the crease, we're going to add some concealer onto our eyelid and then we're going to look up. And this helps me map out where my cut crease should stop because I have hooded eyelids, and if I were to do this free-handedly, it would not look as good because my eye shape is just not meant for that. So depending on how your cut crease is looking so far, you're just going to fill in the rest in the inner corner and the outer corner of your eyelid. And in this tutorial, we're just going to go 3/4 of the way on the outer corner because we're not going to do a dramatic cut crease, we're doing a soft cut crease. I also recommend while you're cutting the crease, you keep looking up, and this is going to help you continue to map out how your cut crease should be looking like depending on your eye shape. And in the end, your cut crease should look something like this. And now we're going to go back into the Urban Decay palette and we're going to use the shade Dirty Sweet all over the cut crease. And I'm using an angled brush because none of my other brushes were working, but an angled brush actually does help get really close to the line without getting the shadow onto your other shades that you already put onto your eye. So even though this may be a little bit more tedious, it actually helps perfect the cut crease. After that, we're going to go in with Whiskey on a fluffy shader brush. And we're going to put that on the outer corner so it can blend in with Dirty Sweet. Now we're going to go in with a dome-like brush with the first color that we use, 13, and we're going to put that on the brow bone. And then we're going to go in with another dome brush and use the shade Pastry in the lower lash line. And with that same brush, we're going to use Whiskey and put that in the outer lower lash line. And with that being done, your eyeshadow should look something like this. And to finish the look, I put some Jasmine Brown Curly Queen eyelashes on and Ginger by Kylie Cosmetics liquid lipstick on my lips. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.